Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be getting with DeepL if you keep getting the document translation failed error. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started translating. Here we can go ahead and access our app settings to set it up how it works. So let's go and take a look at how to fix any document translation failures. So first things first, you're going to check your file size and format. You want to ensure the document, either PDF, docx, whatever you're using, is not corrupted and adheres to the size limits. Next to this, you're going to clear your document suggestions. So if you're translating a docx file, you want to accept or dismiss all tracked changes and comment in your editing software before uploading, as this could usually go and fix your problem. So as you can see right here in the bottom right corner, you have your button to go and get started uploading documents that you're going to go and be using. So first thing you need to do is check the file size and format, and if that still isn't working, if you fix it, you can split large documents. So if a file is too large or complex, it may time out, so you want to chunk text into smaller parts for translation and upload them one by one. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.